Good morning, student. Yesterday we have seen about how to form the formulas of the compounds. So why to remember this? Because in the next part of the chapter there will be so many chemical reactions, and all this chemical reaction involves writing of the formula of the compound. If formula is known, then you will understand which are the reactant, which are the product, how to write the chemical reaction, how to balance the chemical reaction. So all these 3 points can be understood if you can understand and remember the formulas of the compound. Okay, so most of you have completed the homework. I am very happy to see that you have completed homework, and what is expected here is that you should remember the formulas. By just seeing the name, you should be able to write the formula. Okay, that is very easy. So you just cover that formula by some scale or book and see the name, and by seeing the name try to recite the formula. Okay, so let us see which are the formulas over here. First is zinc sulfate. Zinc is Zn2 plus. Sulfate is SO4 2 minus. Okay, SO4 2 minus. So this 2 will go with zinc and this 2 will go with SO4. So what will happen? Zn2 SO4 2. 2 to cancel, it will become ZnSO4. Okay, then magnesium oxide Mg2 plus oxide O2 minus. This 2 will go with Mg, this 2 will go with O. So what should be the formula? Mg2O2. We will cancel 2, so you will write as MgO, magnesium oxide. What is the next formula? Barium chloride. Barium chloride. Where is barium? This is barium. Ba2 plus. Chloride. Where is chloride? There are Cl minus. So minus 1. So 1 you have to attach to barium and 2 you have to attach to Cl. So it will become BaCl2. Then aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate. Where is aluminum? This Al3 plus, and sulfate is SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. 2 will be attached to aluminum and 3 will attach to SO4. So it will become Al2 bracket SO4 3. Al2 bracket SO4 3. And so this way you can have the aluminum sulfate formula. Then aluminum chloride. Al3 plus chloride. Where is chloride? Yes, here is the chloride, Cl minus. So 1 and 3. So 1 will be attached to aluminum and 3 will be attached to Cl. So it will become AlCl3. Okay. Next is what? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium, where is that sodium? Here, Na plus. Hydroxide, OH minus. So 1 will be attached to sodium and this 1 will be attached to OH. So it will become Na1, OH1. We will write it as NaOH, sodium hydroxide. The next is what? Sodium sulfate. Sodium, where is sodium? Na plus. Sodium, Na plus. And sodium hydroxide. Hydroxide is OH minus. So 1 will attach to sodium, 1 will attach to OH, it will become NaOH. Then sodium sulfate. Sodium Na plus, sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So 2 attached to Na and 1 attached to SO4. So it will become Na2SO4 bracket 1. That is Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. Then sodium chloride. Where is sodium? Here, Na plus. Chloride, where is chloride? Cl minus. So 1 attached over here, 1 attached over here, it becomes NaCl. NaCl, sodium chloride. So NaCl, sodium chloride is nothing but table salt. That is namak. हम जो salt खाते हैं हर रोज के खाने में, that is nothing but sodium chloride. Then sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, sodium chloride. Then calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, where is calcium? Ca2 plus. Oxide, O2 minus. 2 attached over here, 2 attached over here. It should be Ca2O2. Instead of writing Ca2O2, we write CaO. It is calcium oxide. Okay. Then calcium oxide is, it is what? A lime, quick lime, chuna, है ना? So it is a quick lime. Then calcium hydroxide, Ca2 plus and hydroxide. Where is hydroxide? OH minus. So it becomes C2 इधर लगाना है, 1 को इधर लेके जाना है, तो क्या बनेगा? Ca1OH2. क्या बनेगा बोलो, Ca1OH2, calcium hydroxide. So what is calcium hydroxide? You dissolve this lime CaO lime into water. The clear water above the solution is nothing but calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. Okay. Then next is what? Copper oxide. Copper oxide Cu2 plus, oxide O2 minus. 2 इधर जाएगा, 2 इधर जाएगा. So formula should be Cu2O2. It is written as CuO, calcium copper oxide. CuO, copper oxide. The next is what? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Where is calcium? This is the calcium Ca2 plus carbonate. This one CO3 2 minus. So 2 attached over here. These 2 will be attached over here. So it becomes Ca2 CO3 2. 2 cancels. So it becomes CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. And again you have seen the calcium carbonate. It is called limestone. मराठी में क्या बोलेंगे इसको? चुनखड़ी का पत्थर, दगड़. और it is also marble tiles. Many houses are floored with marble tiles. So marble is nothing but calcium carbonate. Okay. In our Chandrapur district, mega factories of cements are there. So cement factories uses what? Calcium carbonate stones that we are having in this Chandrapur district. So this is CaCO3, calcium carbonate. What is the formula of calcium carbonate? CaCO3. Then what is the next compound? Ferrous sulfate. Where is ferrous sulfate? Ferrous, Fe2 plus sulfate, SO4 2 minus, 2 attached over here, 2 attached over here. It will become FeSO4, ferrous sulfate. Then next is what? Ferric oxide. Where is ferric? Fe3 plus, oxide O2 minus. So 2 attached over here, 3 attached over here. It will become Fe2O3, ferric oxide. Then lead nitrate. लीड Pb2 प्लस. जो इन्वर्टर बैटरी होती है या आपके कार में या गाड़ियों में सेल्फ स्टार्ट के लिए बैटरी जो होती है, वो बैटरी लीड एसिड की बनी रहती है. उसके जो दो टर्मिनल बाहर आते हैं जहां से हम इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन बनाते हैं, दैट 2 टर्मिनल्स आर नथिंग बट लीड टर्मिनल्स. सो लीड इज आफ्टर ऑल इट्स अ मेटल जस्ट लाइक आयरन बट इज सॉफ्टर. So lead Pb2 plus. Which compound we have to find out? Lead nitrate. Pb2 plus and nitrate NO3 minus. So 1 attached over to Pb and 2 attached over here. So it becomes Pb bracket NO3 2. Lead nitrate. Then next is what? Lead oxide. Lead oxide Pb. Yes. Where is lead? Pb2 plus. Oxide O2 minus. So both are 2 2. So it becomes PbO. Then next what? Silver chloride. Silver Ag plus, chloride Cl minus. 1 1 है, दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. You will get AgCl, silver chloride. Then silver bromide. Where is silver? Ag plus, bromide Br minus. 1 1 cancel. It will become AgBr, silver bromide. Then copper sulfate. Copper, where is copper? Cu2 plus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. 2 2 cancel. You will get CuSO4, copper sulfate. Then barium hydroxide, Ba2 plus, hydroxide OH minus. So it becomes BaOH2, barium hydroxide. Then copper chloride. Where is copper? Cu2 plus. Chloride is this one, Cl minus. So 1 attached over, 2 attached over here, we will get CuCl2, copper chloride. The next is what? Lead chloride. Lead Pb2 plus, chloride Cl minus. 1 Pb को अटैच करना पड़ेगा और 2 इधर अटैच करने का पड़ेगा. It will be PbCl2. Then magnesium oxide. Where is magnesium? Mg2 plus, oxide O2 minus. दोनों 2 2 है तो क्या फार्मूला बनेगा? MgO. Then next what? Zinc oxide, Zn2 plus, oxide O2 minus. 2 2 cancel होगा, ZnO. Then next is what? Silver nitrate. Silver nitrate, silver Ag plus, nitrate NO3 minus, दोनों 1 1 है, AgNO3, silver nitrate. Then calcium nitrate. Calcium, where is calcium? Ca2 plus, nitrate NO3 minus. तो 2 इधर अटैच होगा, 1 इधर अटैच होगा, मतलब क्या होगा? Ca1NO3 2, calcium nitrate. Then next is what? Potassium bromide. Where is potassium? K plus. Bromide कहाँ पे है? दिस इज ब्रोमाइड, 1 1 दोनों है कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, यू विल गेट KBr, पोटेशियम ब्रोमाइड. देन ब्रोमियम, बेरियम ब्रोमाइड, वेयर इज बेरियम? बेरियम Ba2 प्लस, ब्रोमाइड Br माइनस, तो 2 इधर आएगा 1 उधर जाएगा, मतलब Ba1 Br2, Br2, बेरियम ब्रोमाइड. देन मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम Mg2 प्लस, क्लोराइड Cl माइनस, तो 1 इधर अटैच होगा 2 इधर अटैच होगा, मतलब क्या होगा बोलो, Mg1Cl2, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड. देन जिंक कार्बोनेट, जिंक, वेयर इज जिंक? Zn2 प्लस, कार्बोनेट CO3 2 माइनस, तो 2 इधर जाएगा और 2 इधर आएगा, मतलब क्या होगा, Zn2 CO3 2, 2 cancels, it will become Zn CO3. So in this way there will be the different names of the compound that will occur in this chapter. You should just read the name of the compound and try to recite the formulas. Okay, if you are reciting the formula of this barium sulfate, you find difficulty, go through that ions and again try to solve the formula. So make it many times, so many times that all the formulas should be remembered by you. Make it practice, okay, so that this will be beneficial in all chemistry chapters. Okay, goodbye students. Please like my channel Putty Science Academy and share it to the friends and hit the bell icon. Okay, goodbye students.